students of class 12th, RS Inter College, Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you grammar portion. The topic is idioms. Idioms are very necessary. These are the ornaments of the language English. But before explaining you, I would like to suggest that all the students should at once buy the books and registers from the college, and concession of 10% will be given. So there is no loss if you purchase in the market. It will be better to purchase at college so that you may start the course completely, so that you may be update daily without any kind of trouble, without any kind of difficulty. So you have to do everyday work, and you should be punctual. You should attend the classes daily. You should also present your presentee from 8:30 to 9. It is the provided time for you, and you have to complete all the necessary essentials, and you should study without any disturbance. So today I want to tell you about the idioms. Idioms means the words which are written, its sense is different. It is not the same as it is written as flesh and blood, means real human. Real human, as the characters of Shakespeare are real human in his place. So in spite of real human, you will have to write down flesh and blood. So the characters of Shakespeare are of flesh and blood. Flesh and blood means the people who live in this world, who have their merits and demerits. Fight sky of miss avoid, as we should avoid the controversy among our friends, so that our friendship may go for long time. So we may say it like this: fight sky of, to continue friendship for long time. Find fault with means blame, means we do not take our responsibility for erring, for making mistake, and make others responsible. So it will be, many people find fault with others, with their relatives, with their friends. Fish in the trouble water, it means to take profit in others' difficulty, troubles, as we should never fish in the troubled water. For sex means woman, we should respect for sex, means we should respect the woman. Far and near, everywhere, it means we have not to use this, and we will use this. The advertisement of Colgate toothpaste is far and wide, or in other words, we may say that the grace of Narendra Modi has spread far and wide, means it has spread everywhere. Face to music means understand, try to understand. We shall use it. We should face to music of others' problems, and we should help them. We should help to to remove the problems of others. Follow suit. Follow means we should follow the suit of the great men like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, etc. Day of doom means day of judgment. Means if the criminals are not controlled here, if the people earn money by the wrong way, they will be punished by the God in doom day. In the day of doom or doom day. Die in harness, die at duty hour. Means the person when work is at the office, he is doing his duty and he dies at that time. It is called die in harness. So as Jawaharlal Nehru died in harness in 1964. Jawaharlal Nehru died in harness in 1964. Cry for more means demand for rare thing, demand for impossible thing. जैसे to begin, cry for moon is very impossible thing. Do nothing useless. Many people do nothing in this society, so they commit the crimes, and that is the blot in humanity. Every inch means fully or completely. We should use the land every inch in production of the good crops, fruits and vegetables. So in this way we use the idioms, and idioms beautify the language. Idioms and figure of speech are called the ornaments of the language. So we have to learn them, and we should also try to understand how to use them. It will be very proper, and your language will be improved, and the marks will be obtained better than other ways. Thank you very much.